Hey, you guys, it's True, and I am back again with another wig review. Okay, so this wig is actually featured in my Amazon storefront. The link will be down below, and make sure that you and all that fun stuff. So, we're actually getting prepped right now. I'm putting my white towel down so I can see the wig really good, and we're about to get started. So, we are going to review I would call it the Leah or Laia. It's 100% human hair. I believe it's Brazilian. This was a 12-inch 13 by 4 bob. Okay, and the link, like I said, is down below in my Amazon storefront. So I'm going to have the link for the wig itself, and then I'm also going to have a link with all the other products that you'll need in order to complete this look. Okay, so in this package that I was sent to review, they sent me a nice headband, you know, the kind that you can attach at the bottom of the wig in order to make it a glueless wig. So this wig is universal. Either it can be glueless or glue. So they gave you a skin tone bald head method cap, if that's the bald head method that you use, which everyone knows I don't do that, but hey, it works. And then they also comes with the lashes, complimentary lashes. You know, every it girl need her lashes. So if you judge by the title, you will know, yes, this is a wig review, but I'm about to show you guys how to get this wig for free. Okay, don't tell nobody, but yes, tell all your friends. The only way you're going to get this wig for free or partially free is you have to go through my Amazon link today in order to get this deal, okay? So when you get your wig, on the neckline of your wig, it will be paper clipped. On the inside is a piece of paper. Most of the time, if you've ever received a wig like this as an influencer, then you know what time it is. But if you're a regular, customer, you probably don't. But they give you a towel, towelette to cleanse the forehead before you apply. But there is a instruction, line by line paper. It's a document right here. And you use this to get your free wig. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what this wig is all about, y'all.
Listen to this track. Girl, the way you moving, you got me in a trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get so jam. I'ma put my skirt on, you don't need them pants. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor, I love the way you put it, girl.
So yes, you heard me right. Absolutely free. Okay, girl, you can get this wig right here today for absolutely free or partially free, depending on what your instructions and your gift says. But don't sleep on the gag, sis. It's a real gag, and you can actually get a wig like this for free. Okay, so first and foremost, before we get too much and far into the video, I want to thank each and every one of my followers and subscribers for being a part of my channel. I'm up to 200 new subscribers, and I'm still growing, and I'm still going, and I just got here, you guys. So I'm so excited. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and comment and like. And if you've already been here, you already know what to do. We love it here, right? Yes, y'all. Leave all the comments and all the fun stuff below. All right, you guys. So what you see me do here on the white towel was just prep the wig and getting it ready for install. So I did use my hot comb at the hottest degree, and I did use a little wax, and I just went ahead and flatten it down because I noticed the knots are very small and the hair is kind of thin, so there was no need to bleach the knots in order to get the look that I was looking for. So right here you see me adding the cream, the two-tone cream. I think it's like Cream by Kiss. It's a concealer. That too is in my storefront. It's all in my link below. And I added that with a Wet n Wild flathead bristle, not a bristle brush, but a fluffy brush that you use to, pat in product. So you see me here, I'm patting in all the product into the lace. And this lace is very thin, by the way. And then I went ahead and followed that up with my Fit Me powder, pressed powder, and I put all the product in like that. This next step, I'm actually getting ready to install. And you all don't worry about that little slight bump there at the bottom, because how you fix that is you just take the hair, piece it half and half, and you make sure that the top layer of the tracks are smoothed over. So here I'm prepping and getting ready to apply the wig. Now I don't do a full bald head method, everyone knows that, but I do use the new technique of the double melt. I do that. So here I'm pushing my hair back into my cornrows and I'm slicking my hair down with my favorite edge control or gel or whatever I'm using. I just grabbed something today and I think I just slicked it back. I wasn't in the mood for all the extra stuff, so boom. Now we're putting on the wig cap, and here I push the wig cap all the way back, including the band on the cap. That's me. I love doing it that way. It just works for me. Here again, I am applying that cream foundation, the same one that was on the wig. I'm putting it on the wig cap right now, okay? And I'm setting it all up and getting ready to prep for my glue. So here, I actually do the outer skirt line of my hairline. I don't get on top of my hair, and when I take my glue, I actually push the glue not downwards like towards my forehead, but I go like horizontal. No, or is it vertical? Which one is up and down, vertical or horizontal? I think it's horizontal, that I go like down, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't push it towards my forehead, I just go downward with it. So boom, now I apply the wig, and here you see me adjusting the lace, and I do believe this is HD lace. I don't think it's transparent because it's not that yellow. When it's transparent, I know it's transparent lace has a yellowish tint to it, but when you're dealing with HD, it looks almost like it's transparent, but you can still kind of see the knots depending on how big or small the knots are. If it's that's HD, but if it's transparent, then you see everything, and it's like, oh girl. But the makeup you put on just clears that all up. But I believe this is an HD lace right here. So here I'm cutting out my ear tabs, okay? And I'm making a way to fit that right where I had that glue at, and I'm making sure that I pre-press it down before I actually take my comb and actually blend it into the hairline. So here you see me pressing it in, using the comb, and I know it's going really zoom fast, but best believe you guys, this is really just for the review purposes. I will do a how to install on my next one, okay you guys? So here I'm adding the Wonder Bond spray, and I'm putting my band on, my melting band, and boom, now she's setting, and I will sit for probably about 15-20 minutes until it's really dry. So what I loved about this hair, you guys, is very light, very fluffy. There was less to no shedding. The only time it shed was the pieces I cut out, and it's very natural hairline looking. Once I took that band off, did you guys see how the hairline just kind of melted itself backwards, and it really looked like my hair? If I was thinking, I probably just like left it like that when I first took it off, but I was so like adamant on having that baby hair swoop in the front and then pushing it all back behind my ear with a nice little comb swoop, light soft comb swoop in the front, you know, hiding behind my ear, kind of like good girl look, you know, like good girl nerdy look. And this is definitely a good go-to mom wig for me. Like if I had to go to my daughter's school real quick and I was sitting around with a bonnet on and I ain't had nothing but like my hair puffed out underneath my bonnet, I would throw my hair in a ponytail, throw this on top of it, slap it down, and keep it moving, and she will be on point, and people wouldn't even know it's a wig. Like that's the vibe I'm on now. Like I'm looking for mom-friendly wigs that we can wear to vacations, we can wear to meetings, we can wear to the job if you ever got to go in the office, we can wear to the grocery store, and it doesn't take a lot to put it on and go, and it doesn't take a lot of maintenance and stuff to keep up with it. Once you've styled it and you have it customized to you, that's how she's gonna be. I love it. So there's where you saw me pulling off the lace, and now I'm just tightening up the lace and making sure it's all blended into my hairline and my skin. It looks great. So this is where the double method actually comes in at, y'all. Y'all first saw me do the glue, right? Boom. Then y'all saw me do the spray, right? So after the spray, which I don't think I showed on this video, but I know I showed on my next one. This is where right after this step, you will add spritz to your hairline area or ash area. And not only will it get rid of that white cast line, you guys, when you melt that thing on top of that, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Because even though I didn't include the spritz on this one, I do include the foam, the mousse. That's what I mean by double melt, because once you put that mousse and the glue, those two together is already powerful, okay? But when you actually put that spritz with it, I think the spritz with the mousse is what gives it that extra double melt. And it's at this point, it's your skin. Like, come on, you guys, it's so pretty when you get finished with it. So here I'm actually combing through it, and I'm trying to get a good feel for how it looks. Now, I know that the ends are kind of thin, and I didn't like that, and I noticed certain parts of my wig was kind of thin looking. The only con that I have about the wig is that it's thin. So here I was using my Conair, and this is the Conair I used to rebump it once I had it all styled up and looking pretty. And here we go, getting ready to do the actual real reveal of the hair. So boom, this is a picture of how it came out at the end, and that's how it looked once I took the band off. You guys can barely see the lace. Like, where's the lace? I don't know. There's certain spots I know you can see it because it bubbled up on me when I was pulling the hair and fixing it, but that was nothing but a quick fix. Once I put that mousse on top, it was done. It was a done data. Okay, so here I'm actually like plucking out the side of the hairline to give it a more realistic look. I did like how it looked, but I did want to look a little bit more thin and a little bit more natural. So I also have a how-to video showing you guys how to bleach, how to pluck, and how to customize and install the wig. And that video is definitely coming up soon. So don't worry, ladies. If you have any questions pertaining to this wig and this video on how I got to look so pretty and natural, keep watching because I will have another one coming up soon. All right, so here I was just customizing that front strip where this is where the baby hair swoop will be, and I just made sure that it was to my liking. I don't like my baby hairs looking very thick and full. I actually like them kind of thin. But on this one, I did notice that once I did that and I pressed it, it came out very, very beautiful and flawless. But for like wear and tear for later on, it probably could have been a little thicker as far as the hair being left there, because you know over time the baby hairs and stuff naturally shed on its own, and the hair kind of naturally sheds on its own, especially when you have to go back and nip and tuck and like refix certain areas. Sometimes those hairs, they're doing on their own. You don't have to pluck too much out. Okay, so here I'm actually getting ready to pat in some more product where I see where some of the lace I feel like didn't have enough product on it. And I'm actually getting ready to mousse this thing down and do my baby hairs and get ready to go. So you guys see me get ready to plug up my thin curling irons. Oh my God, look at my daughter. I'm so over her foot. That's why I don't like doing my hair in front of my children, because they see that's her. Because they be doing the most. Okay, but anyway. So here I'm actually taking the baby hairs, and you have to curl your baby hairs upward, you guys. I thought curling it down or upward, it was neither here nor there, but that's a lie. You have to curl them up so the swoop of the curl will lay down flat and go in the direction you want it to go. If you try to like, you know, curl it downward, it just doesn't swoop over right. Like the curl just doesn't sit right. So here you see I put my mousse. I'm doing my baby hair. I do my little, you know, customized cowlick on the side with the little swoop hook right there. I thought that was so pretty. And I went ahead and put all that in, and it's looking great. I feel great so far. And I'm not, you know, I'm almost done with it, girls. And I just put it on, so boom. All right, so with this one, like I said, I didn't like the fact that it was kind of thin in certain areas. With this type of wig, I probably would invest in some clip-ins, some short 10 to 12-inch clip-ins where I can add throughout the wig. But the wig itself is giving, so let's not even down this wig, okay? Especially if you're about to get it like for free, okay? There are certain things you might have to do, you know, to make it do what it do. And there's nothing wrong with that. So here we go. All right, you guys, so this is the most important part, is putting on that concealer and just identifying those lines. Okay, on the finishing touches, I'm just getting that last little pieces together right here, and that's where I definitely suggest the clip-ins to come in, because there are some choppy areas throughout the wig that just aren't flawlessly placed through, you know, from top to bottom. They are kind of choppy towards the end, so I was like, man, I don't like that, but hey. And that's how it looks from the back, from the side. Okay, everybody, this was the final look. So this is the top shot and a side shot, and also me in the video showing you guys how much I was in love with this hair. Like I said, the wig link is below. Please make sure you order through me so you can get your free wig today. Okay, y'all, and we'll definitely go ahead and come back and do some more of these. Y'all, I got so many vlogs coming up. We got hauls coming up, more how-to, more detail, beginner friendly, makeup, hair, we have it all right here. So please make sure that you have stopped and subscribed if you haven't already. My baddies with the fatties and my baby boo-boos. Okay, I love y'all so much. Bye.
Listen to this track. Girl, the way you moving got me in a trance. DJ turn me up, ladies get so jam. I'm a Moscato, you don't even pay.